Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your focus mode on Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Focus mode on Android phone is a powerful feature designed to help you minimize distraction and stay productive. By pausing or restricting access to selected apps, focus mode allows you to concentrate on what matters most, whether you're working, studying, or simply need a break from constant notification. So in this video, I will show you how to set up your focus mode. So first of all, you can go to your settings on your phone. From settings, you can just scroll down and you can go to digital and well-being parental controls. You can just tap on that. From here, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option focus. You can tap on that to set up your focus mode. And here, you can select the distracting app. Maybe for the example, you want to use TikTok, Instagram, Roblox, X. So I have choose these four apps, distracting apps. Now you can turn on by select on turn on now. So now focus is on distracting app is paused. So now you have on enable, you are on your focus mode on your Android phone. So your phone will be limit the notification from this four apps, selected app that you choose in here. And you can also schedule your focus mode if you want to, but I will not. And if you want to turn off, you can turn off your focus mode in here. Turn off. Or maybe you can just also take a break for 5 minutes, 15 or 13. It's very simple, right? So that is how to set up your focus mode on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.